Hey, smart buyers! Welcome back to another epic episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies with two budget-friendly drones that promise to make you the next Spielberg, or at least help you take some sick selfies from the air. On the left, we've got the Heygelo S90 drone, and on the right, the Heygelo Brushless motor drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. All right, let's kick things off with the price. The Heygelo S90 is priced at a wallet-friendly $59. Meanwhile, the Heygelo Brushless motor drone is strutting in at a cool $119. So if you're looking to save some cash for, I don't know, maybe a pizza or two, Heygelo might just win this round. But hey, let's see if Heygelo can justify that extra dough. Next up, camera quality. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera, but Heygelo gives you that sweet bird-eye perspective through Wi-Fi. Heygelo, on the other hand, takes it a step further with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable camera. It's like the difference between a selfie stick and a professional film crew. Heygelo gives you angles you didn't even know existed. Reviewers have noted that Heygelo's camera is decent for the price, but Heygelo's camera quality and flexibility are on another level. Now let's talk about flight features. Heygelo comes with multiple functions: remote, app, voice, and gravity control. It practically does everything but make you breakfast. Plus, it has more stunts than a circus act, 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotations, and more. Heygelo, however, has some intelligent flight features like one-key takeoff/landing, headless mode, and altitude hold. It's like the autopilot of drones, perfect for those of us who struggle to fly paper airplanes, let alone drones. Reviewers love the Heygelo for its fun and easy-to-use features, but Heygelo's intelligent flight modes are praised for making the flying experience smoother and more intuitive. Stability and wind resistance. Because no one likes a wobbly drone, Heygelo's got propeller guards and altitude hold, making it stable for those high-quality pics. But Heygelo? It laughs in the face of wind with level 4 wind resistance and can reach speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour. It's like comparing a gentle breeze to a mini tornado. Heygelo is the Usain Bolt of drones, while Heygelo is more like your chill, laid-back buddy. Reviewers note that while Heygelo is stable and easy to control, Heygelo's wind resistance and speed make it a beast in the air. Battery life and portability. Two crucial factors for our on-the-go adventurers. Heygelo offers two modular batteries for a total of 26 minutes of flight time, and Heygelo didn't specify its battery life, but we're guessing it's got some juice given its higher price point. However, if you're looking to pop a drone into your backpack and head out, Heygelo's portability might just win your heart. Reviewers appreciate Heygelo's compact design and decent battery life, while Heygelo's performance compensates for the lack of detailed battery information. Last but not least, connectivity and FPV. Heygelo offers VR mode and gravity mode, making you feel like you're in a sci-fi movie. Heygelo ups the ante with 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV transmission, promising smooth and lag-free videos even at a distance. It's like comparing dial-up internet to fiber optic. Heygelo clearly has the edge here. Reviewers have praised Heygelo for its innovative modes, but noted that Heygelo's FPV transmission is top-notch and reliable. Summing up the reviews, Heygelo S90 is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great choice for beginners and casual users. On the other hand, FPV brushless motor drone receives mixed reviews, with some users highlighting its high performance and excellent customer service, while others faced issues with connectivity and reliability. However, its advanced features and stability make it appealing for those willing to spend a bit more. So there you have it, folks. If you're on a budget and want a drone that can do backflips and fit in your backpack, Heygelo S90 is your guy. But if you're willing to splurge a bit for advanced features, wind resistance, and a motorized camera that makes you feel like a pro, then FPV brushless motor drone is the win. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Drop a comment below on which drone you'd take on your next adventure. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart, peace.